Sri Lanka, a resplendent isle rich in natural beauty. From crystal clear oceans and unspoiled beaches to lush forests and majestic mountaintops, our land is a treasure trove of nature's bounty. But every day, we put our beautiful island in jeopardy. Sri Lanka generates 7,000 metric tons of solid waste on a daily basis, 60% of which is produced by the Western Province. Our current disposal practices are the cause of immeasurable damage to the environment, polluting air, soil and water. And if we don't stop now, the effects of what we do today will be felt for generations to come. The good news is that when managed correctly, solid waste can be a valuable resource and a vital cog in a system that can deliver a variety of social and economic benefits. It was this insight, along with the desire to preserve and protect our island, that inspired one of Sri Lanka's most respected conglomerates to enter the waste-to-energy arena. Aiken Spence is a pioneer in multiple industries and a leader in sustainable value creation. With the goal of providing Sri Lanka with a safe, eco-friendly waste management solution, Aiken Spence Power contracted with a renowned engineering company, China Western Power Company, and began construction of the country's first and only professional waste-to-energy plant, investing close to 15 billion rupees in the endeavor. The Colombo Waste-to-Energy Power Plant is a state-of-the-art waste management facility, providing an end-to-end solution to the problem of solid waste disposal in Colombo, with a processing capacity of 700 metric tons per day. The process begins when the municipal solid waste trucks arrive at our premises and are directed to our fully automated weigh bridges. The trucks are weighed both before and after the dumping process, and the relevant data is meticulously recorded. The waste is then tipped into the waste bunker and stored there for 3 to 7 days to allow for leachate drainage. Our grippers turn over the waste repeatedly to ensure even scatter and mixing. The waste is then transported to the incinerator via our feeder system. After being dried rapidly under high temperatures, it enters the incinerator where combustion begins at 850 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the waste is completely incinerated. The thermal energy generated heats the water in our boilers, and the steam that is created powers the steam turbine generator to produce electricity. In this way, the power plant contributes 10 megawatts of power to the national grid, which helps the CEB power households and businesses around the country with sustainable energy. Leachate from solid waste is one of the main polluters of groundwater around the world. At our power plant, the leachate collected is put through a rigorous 4-step treatment process that results in Class A water suitable for daily use. This water goes directly back into our processing system for use within the plant. Any additional water required is obtained from the Hamilton Canal and goes through our stringent in-house purification process prior to use. In the final stages of secondary combustion and processing, we are left with 2 types of ash. Bottom ash is collected and delivered to the construction industry to be repurposed for the making of bricks and paving stones. Our fly ash is treated at every stage and routinely tested to ensure that any emission is completely harmless and complies with Central Environmental Authority and EU standards and regulations. Protecting our environment is a collective responsibility. As a responsible corporate citizen, we want to contribute positively to sustainable urbanization by reducing the adverse environmental impacts of waste. At Aiken Spence Power, our efforts are to enable and empower sustainable cities and communities by providing state-of-the-art, reliable and resilient infrastructure. We are committed to providing an effective, efficient and completely eco-friendly solution that will keep Colombo clean and beautiful, while generating sustainable energy that empowers homes and businesses. Aiken Spence, for a clean and green city of Colombo.